Welcome back, friends. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 beautiful and budget-friendly ways to style your coffee table for summer. Whether you love coastal vibes, something minimal and neutral, or pop of seasonal color, you're going to find a look that inspires you. There are simple decorating ideas that feel cozy and curated using a mix of DIYs, thrifted finds, and affordable decor from places like Dollarama, HomeSense, and Timo. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's style some stunning summer coffee tables together. Let's start with the look I currently have in my living room. I'm using one of my favorite DIY vases, a dupe inspired by either Crate and Barrel or McGee & Co. I'll link the original inspiration and my DIY tutorial down below. To that, I have added soft pink florals from Dollarama, some thrifted coffee table books. I always choose them based on the look of the cover rather than the topic, and I'm stacking 2 for height. Next is the sweet little DIY trinket bowl, another project from my DIY channel. I love adding pieces that feel personal. I placed a soy candle from HomeSense beside it and added a gold candle snuffer from Dollar Tree for that extra touch of charm. For texture, I'm using a faux stone bead garland, another DIY dupe, and for extra layering, I am placing a thrifted wicker tray alongside a little greenery pot from Dollarama that I'm placing inside this stone rope pot as well from Dollarama. This look is layered, cozy, and totally says summer with style. For the second look, I kept the setup mostly the same, but swapped out the pink flowers for some beautiful white green hydrangeas I scored at a garage sale for just $1. It's amazing how simply switching out florals gives the table a whole new feel, proof that seasonal decor updates don't have to be expensive. This next one leans into coastal summer vibes. I brought out a new thrifted wicker tray and added touches of blue, which feels so classic for the season. The vase is another DIY makeover from a thrift store find, filled with delicate ferns like greenery from Dollarama. I've also added my Pottery Barn inspired frosted candle holders, another easy DIY you can totally recreate. It's simple, airy, and perfect for a breezy summer day. If you're loving these ideas so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I post new decorating inspiration every week, and I love to have you here. For this setup, I'm using my Olive Atelier's dupe vase paired with charming daisies from Dollarama. Most of my fall flowers are budget friendly, either from Dollar Store or Temu. To ground everything, I added a seagrass tray and more coffee table books. I brought back the stone garland, thrifted marble coasters, and a frosted candle holders to tie it all together. I often draw inspiration from styled photos on Pottery Barn, McGee & Co. websites, or even seasonal catalogs. You can easily recreate their vibe on a budget by mixing textures and layering in neutral tones. Next, I'm bringing in a large thrifted vase filled with lush greenery from Temu and white florals from Dollarama. I'm also stacking up more coffee table books, adding a bit more visual weight this time. These glass hurricane candle holders are another DIY. And I added a footed wicker bowl filled with fall lemons and limes. I love decorating with citrus for summer. It just feels cheerful and fresh. I also included a vintage candle snuffer I thrifted this year, cute and functional. Here I wanted to keep things minimal and textural. I used a scalloped wicker tray, a DIY McGee & Co. inspired vase, and some airy stems from Temu. I added taper candle holders with simple candles and brought back my soy candle. A small concrete pot looks perfect for holding long matches, though I didn't have any on hand that matched the setup. We'll just imagine them there. I also added our little ceramic trinket bowl from trip to Croatia. It's always nice to include something meaningful in your decor, as well as the marble coasters. For our final look, I'm combining several favorite pieces: a paper mache bowl, a wicker vase, soft hydrangeas, and a bright citrus in a bowl, and my trusty coffee table books. To finish it off, I added a magnifying glass from HomeSense, just a little touch that adds character and charm. This is such a versatile setup. It feels summery but could work for any season with a quick floral swap. And that wraps up 7 beautiful ways to style your coffee table for summer, with cozy, curated, and budget-friendly touches that make a big impact. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite. Do you decorate your coffee table for summer or keep it simple year-round? I love to hear your style. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and check out the description box for the links to all the DIYs and decor sources mentioned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with more home decor and DIY inspiration.